Hey, so we could say, welcome back, Israel, to your Caribou Data Science channel. This is the afternoon of Tuesday, March the 22nd, 2022. And it's time for your daily COVID-19 analysis. Of course, before we get started, three favors are asked again today. Click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, click on the share button. Share the video today on your favorite social media accounts, okay? Hey, hey Lola Cat, thanks so much for the follow. I appreciate it. What I need, Lola, what I need you to invite 10 of your friends to join us in the stream at 8 p.m. this evening, okay? But the thing that's keeping us from getting the affiliate status is the three people in the chat consistent on average, okay? Let's see if anybody else is lurking back here. Violet's TV. Supposedly, obviously that's you there, but supposedly these here, well, Streamlabs is a bot. Supposedly these here, these other three, they could be bots, okay? Or there could be people sort of lurking in the background also. Okay. Anyway, let's move on to Israel. So for the previous 365 days, hey, Bellum 128, how you doing today, friend? Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, I'm doing decent. For the most part, at least from an R coding standpoint. So tell me, Bellum, where are you located in the world? What part of the world do you live in? Because we got Lola Cat here, who's from Sweden, Southeast United States. I mean, as in Florida or Georgia or something like that. So we're in the same time zone then, because I'm in central, closer to Georgia. Okay, yeah, 'cause I'm actually located in central Ohio. Okay, so we're in the same time zone. Oh, by the way, Bellum, I would appreciate if you click on that follow button for me. So what do you do in Georgia, Bellum? What do you do in Georgia for? Are you a student? Do you actually are you a productive member of society or both? You can see for the previous 365 days, Israel has had. Okay, well, good. Okay, I thought your name looked vaguely familiar, but you live somewhere in the South. So what do you do? Are you a data ETL software engineer? Is that like extract? I don't know. What's ETL? Extract, transpose, and I don't know. What's ETL? And load. Okay. So do you work with like SQL, or what languages do you work with? You can see Israel's had, what do you say? SQL, good. Yeah, I'm actually working on my SQLs also on the side here. Okay, very good. So what type of database do you work with? You can see Israel has had 2.9 million cases, 4,347 deaths over the last Hadoop system. Oh, so we're talking big data then? Oh, interesting. That sounds pretty interesting, actually. Yeah. All righty. How long you been in this business? How long you been doing this type of work? Okay. So what was your graduate degree in? Did you mean your 4-year degree, or do you also have a master's? Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay. Do you use any programming languages like R or Python? Most of what I work with is R in my data. I always say that, like I told Lola Cat, I'm an amateur. I'm an amateur data analyst. I do this. Believe it or not, I actually this is actually fun to me to do reports and stuff like that. Okay, well, you can see Israel's number is not for. Okay, very good. Do you stream at all? Okay, nothing wrong. I guess that means you have more to do. You have more to do with your life than stare at a screen. You mean Bellum? You asking that to Lola? You're asking that to Bellum? I'll be right back. So, Lola, what area of mathematics are you working in? Are you what's your emphasis? Thanks so much, Bella, for stopping by, friend. I appreciate it. Okay, so you can see here that as far as Israel's concerned, they just got hammered in January and February in terms of cases. Okay, and almost more than likely that their deaths, Israel's deaths, are going to pass. Well, they already have passed barely 2021 deaths. But what we can see, the good news is there was this long declining pattern in cases, although it's starting to trend back up a little bit as of the 21st. Israel is averaging 13,055 cases per day. And as of the 14th, see, this is kind of strange. Maybe they didn't have any deaths during the previous months. It's hard to say. 7-day average as of for deaths as of March the 14th is 8.1 deaths per day. You can see the declining pattern in cases here and also in deaths over the last 4 to 5 weeks. Okay. Of course, cases are not going to wind up catching any one of these two numbers here, but they have already passed these three numbers here. Deaths, again, deaths are lower in January, February, but still above these 2 months here. So the downward trend is encouraging for Israel. Uh, let us come along here now, take Israel, then move on to the great state of Ohio, I believe.